Good morning everybody. You join me on an overcast day in Normandy. Now I've been sent out, I've got to get some shopping, but I think there might be a vide grenier on. Whether or not it's been rained off, we'll soon find out. I've got lots of other things coming in this video. So first, I'm going to go and get some baguettes and croissants to kick the day off. Right, let's go. Doesn't that look better? Removed the elder, the grapevine, most of the ivy. Yeah, that is a lovely looking building now. Quite a lot of work to do, as you can imagine. The roof, once again, is an issue, but for now, it's certainly looking a lot tidier. And what I'll probably do is I'll extend the patio halfway across the front here, just to neaten it all up, do something with the doors, and just get it looking a lot fresher. And that way, it'll match in with the rest of it. Right, let's get to the shops to see where that vide grenier is on as well. Well, I'm at the vide grenier, but it's still raining. There's people here. Whether or not it's worth getting out, I'm not quite sure, but being as I'm here, I'll have a quick walk around. You never know, you might just grab something. Ah, what a shame. That's why Normandy is so green. Normally this is absolutely jam-packed with stalls. There's a little bit around the corner, maybe there's some more there. So, I've found myself absolutely fantastic butcher's cleaver. It's massive. So I'm going to have that. Oops, that'll clean up. And I just dropped my wallet and my phone. Now I'm after a pitchfork. Now this one looks really good. It's to get all the hay out of the barn. So I'm definitely going to have that one. That's nice and strong. So there, you never know what you're going to find, do you? 2 pieces there. Okay, what else we got here? This fella has got plenty of tools here, so always does me a good deal. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to have these 2. Just deux pour maintenant, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Well, that was a result. I was after a hay fork. Now, a similar one in the Bricos was 40 to 50 euros, so I might get some of them as well. Okay, he's just going to hold them there for me. Going to have a walk around, see what else I can find. Okay, this is normally full up. It has stopped raining, so let's hope that brings the people out. I think they must have looked out their window this morning and thought, not today. But if you don't come out to these places, you're not going to find things, are you? Nice, interesting old pots. I think I'll get that. Nice sized pot by a good maker. So that was good. A nice big pot by a good maker from Paris. So yeah, it was worth coming. 3 items in the bag. Ah, yeah, still not got me baguette and croissants. Don't let me forget again. There's a theme here, isn't there? I get distracted by vide greniers and I nearly forget the pastries that I'm sent out for. Yeah, there's hardly anybody here, so it's going to be a quick trip today here. Head back home and carry on with my work. It's the buzz, isn't it? You know, coming out and having a look round. Only be laying in bed. Okay, got poultry here as well, live. No, not ready for chickens yet. Okay, so I've got my pan of chocolates, and they're offset with some healthy greens, which I got off the lady that I bought the pitchfork off, and the gentleman there, so yeah, balanced it off a little bit. Right, let's get these inside. Quick cup of coffee and I'll be straight back out. So I think I got back just in time. It's starting to rain, so let's have a quick look to see what I bought. So I've got myself a hay rake, fork, whatever you might like to call that. Now that is for all the hay that is stored in here, so I'm going to need a few of them because I'm going to need a few helpers, but that's one of them anyway. Now this is a real great find. This was from the butchery, but it was from the vide grenier, but originally it would have been a butcher's, and that was a gigantic cleaver to cut up carcasses. Right, that will polish up lovely, so will that. I'll get some wax on that as well, and that will be fit for purpose again, even if it's just for decoration. But yeah, what a great piece. That will be put in my website shop, welcome to chores.com. Now all the details of that can be found in the description below, so head on over there, check the website out. There's other interesting things on there, and a free blog. Right, okay, what else was it? Oh yeah, so there we go. We've got a good size cooking pot. It's made by a very good maker from Paris, Mora. So yeah, great quality aluminium pot, nicely planished, good thick quality. That would have been like a catering grade pot, so that probably come out of a restaurant as well. So yeah, that'll also be in my website shop. I even make the Etsy shop, not quite sure yet. Okay, right, let's get these inside before it gets soaked. Now while I was working on the end cottage, removing all the brambles and the grapevine, I did notice when I looked up there was a little pitchfork there, so I went up there and got it, and I'll show you what it is. So that's where it was there. Now it's been up there for quite some time, and I've never really gone up there and had a look, so I thought we'll get me ladder. So I went up there and I found a sweet little little fork, about the size I use for my dinner actually. But anyway, yeah, that was a little memento from the past. I might take the head off, maybe put a longer pole on it that can be used, definitely. Yep, all handmade. Right, sounds like that's rumbling thunder at the minute. Yep, we had a few flashes of lightning as well, so yeah, it is predicted to really rain, so I have to pick me activities today. And there's the caravan that I got out the other day and cleaned up. Lots of stuff in there that's got to be relocated. There's Sam and her mum. Right, let's see what she got. Oh, look at that, yeah. Done well there. Yeah, I didn't go back to this, I walked straight past. 1930s.
Definitely.
Yeah, right.
See the top?
Me and Jack will have to lift that out. Yeah, we'll have a close look once it's out.
Yeah, I need you to put that somewhere for me that's out of the rain.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get more rusty. So it's a bit rusty, but...
That's fine, ain't nothing. Right, we'll have a closer look at that in a moment. Oh, that's nice. That's for your logs.
Logs, yeah. So I'm going to list that today.
Okay, check out Sam's shop, link in description. Right, let's pop around the other side. She's got something in the bag over there. Keep them there because they'll get too wet out of here. It's starting to pour down. They're nice, the old enamel French pails. Pretty good condition them, again in the shop as well.
Yep, they're water jugs or pitchers. Which people would have taken water in to have a wash with from the pump in the garden, or
now good for flowers.
Oh yeah,
decoration.
Make lovely flower vases. They're watertight, so. Yeah. And then the other thing I got was 3 of these little sweet egg coddlers. They're English. They're Royal Worcester.
Yeah, they're quite collectible now. A lot of people are using them.
Yeah, it's quite nice. You just put some butter, line it with some butter, crack your egg and a little bit of salt and pepper in. Oh, I wonder if you could try that out on me, that one. Could do.
Yeah.
Pop it in a pan with boiling water.
Breakfast
for tomorrow. Cooked. Coddled eggs.
Go.
Have a look at the name on the top, Jazz. Wow.
nice.
Seems to be in good condition. Yeah, all the bits are inside. So you can use it for wood burning or coal.
I'll have to buy that off you. Matches the colour of the doors. So as it's raining, we've come inside, and what a perfect excuse to check up on those little kitties.
So we've noticed that the little grey kitten, his head's a little bit big, and he seems to have trouble holding it up. So this is little Bobby, and as you can see, his little head's a little bit swollen. So we think he might have hydrocephalus.
Or hydrocephalus, not sure how it's pronounced.
Hydrocephalus, not quite sure how it's pronounced. But Jack did some research online, and there's lots of little kitties that look like that have got that condition.
It's basically fluid on the brain, which can slow them down in their development a little bit, and we've noticed he is a little bit slower,
than the rest, although he's still gaining weight, and he is making advances every day.
He's about 100 grams lighter than his brothers and sisters.
And we've made an appointment at the vet, so we're going to get the vet to check him out, and hopefully we can get some treatment for him. But he's a beauty, he's so sweet, and he'll be staying with us and Fifi.
Falling asleep in your hand.
Oh.
He's definitely the sweetest. He's not as playful as the others, is he?
No.
Doesn't run around or... Oh.
He runs around a little bit, but he's not as boisterous.
No. He's such a little gem.
So this is Jess. We think she's a little girl, but we've got to get it confirmed by the vet. And Jasmine chose the name after Postman Pat's black and white cat. One of her favourite programmes when she was a little girl. That's it, good girl, good girl. Good girl. Let Bob feed. Let Bobby feed. We did get some formula from the vets as well, so we can supplement Bobby's feeds if we need to.
He gets a little bit less food than his brothers and sisters because he's a little slower. We'd be interested to know if anyone in the comments has a hydro kitty.
Yes, and how they've got on. If anyone's got one that's a baby or grown up, we'd be really interested to hear.
So here we go, this is kitty number 3. I'm not sure whether this one's named, is it, Jasmine?
Well, me and Jack think we're going to take that one. We're not sure yet. We'd like to see their personalities a little bit more. They're still only a month old, but no, this one hasn't got a name yet.
Okay, so
I've got a few names shortlisted, and that mean a lot, so I'll keep that under wraps until I've decided, I think.
Sure. It's all right, Fifi, I'm not hurting him. You can have him back now.
And this
one's like a little hedgehog.
Kitty number 4. And she's very sleepy.
Not always this sleepy, it must be said.
No.
It's normally a little tiger, this one. Oh, yes. Look at Fifi, look, climbing across the door.
She still likes to be very close to them.
Acrobat cat. Oh, look.
I don't think she's ever been so sleepy.
No, it's had a good play this morning.
Yeah, they're definitely getting more comfortable with human contact. More comfortable with human contact anyway, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've all started to get their own personalities, so